Welcome back to the channel. If you're all about saving time, money, and reducing food waste, you're going to love today's review. We're diving into what might just be the best vacuum sealer for food you can get your hands on, the LKKNC 6-in-1 vacuum sealer. Whether you're meal prepping, storing leftovers, or buying in bulk, this compact machine will change your kitchen routine forever. You will find the link to the product in the description, and please subscribe to the channel for more awesome kitchen gear reviews. Keep food fresh longer with the best vacuum sealer for food. If you're tired of food waste, freezer burn, or messy leftovers, it's time to upgrade your kitchen game with the LKKNC vacuum sealer, arguably the best vacuum sealer for food on Amazon. With 75 kp of powerful suction, smart technology, and a sleek, compact design, this 6-in-1 food sealing machine is your all-in-one solution for food preservation and money-saving magic. Smart features that make a difference. Unlike ordinary sealers, the LKKNC vacuum sealer comes equipped with a digital timer that lets you track the sealing process in real time. It completes sealing in just 10 seconds, locking in freshness up to 8x longer than traditional methods. Whether you're storing meats, veggies, snacks, or even wine, this machine has a specific mode just for it. Dry and moist food modes ensures optimal sealing for any type of food. One-touch vac seal and stop function, easy to operate with a single tap built-in cutter. Customize bag sizes with ease. External vacuum port, perfect for jars, canisters, and wine bottles. You will find the link to the product in the description, and if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to the channel so you never miss a smart kitchen upgrade. Why you need this vacuum sealer? The LKKNC isn't just about saving food, it's about saving time, space, and money. Extend shelf life. Keep groceries fresher, longer. Less spoilage. Fewer trips to the store. Declutter your fridge. Sealed. Stackable bags take up less space than bulky containers. Meal prep made easy. Store pre-cooked meals, marinated meats, or bulk bought items with no mess. Cost-friendly kit. Comes with 10 vacuum bags, extra gasket, and external air hose. Everything you need to get started right away. What makes it better than the rest? While many vacuum sealers promise quality, the LKKNC vacuum sealer delivers professional-grade performance at a consumer-friendly price. Weighing only 2 pounds and made from durable ABS material, it's built to last and easy to clean. Plus, with a compact 15.39 Yak 4.02 GAX 2.68 design, it fits right into any kitchen drawer or cabinet. Compared to other models, this unit offers faster sealing time, more precise control with digital timer, better compatibility. With moist, dry foods, extra accessories you won't find in standard models. Final thoughts: if you're looking for the best vacuum sealer for food, look no further than the LKKNC 6-in-1 vacuum sealer. It's powerful, compact, user-friendly, and a true game-changer in the kitchen. Whether you're a meal prepping enthusiast, a bulk shopper, or someone who simply hates wasting food, this vacuum sealer is a must-have. Thanks for watching. If this vacuum sealer looks like the perfect fit for your kitchen, you will find the link to the product in the description. And don't forget, please subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, tips, and tools to upgrade your home life. Smash that like button if this helped, and drop a comment below with what you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay fresh, stay smart, and happy sealing.